What if I told you that editing your content doesn't have to take hours out of your day? Yeah, this is serious. Editing is the side of content creation that your audience doesn't necessarily see, but it is the part that usually takes the longest. But you don't have to spend hours every day in front of your computer or on your phone perfecting your edits. CapCut has a ton of AI tools to help streamline the process. I'm talking about not having to reshoot something to make sure there's enough space for text. Who's been there? I'm talking about cinematic color grading and easy appearance enhancement for those days when you don't want to wear a full face of makeup. And all of these edits take seconds, not minutes, not hours. Seconds. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these tutorials. And now, without further ado, let's go ahead and open the CapCut mobile app. On our last tutorial, we talked about editing content to fit within a platform's safe zone. But what if you've already shot everything and there's no possible way to fit in your text? What if you see your final footage and just don't like the composition, or you need to adjust a horizontal video for a vertical platform? In these cases, I highly recommend using CapCut's AI Expand tool. For example, I have this clip from my podcast that I want to share to TikTok and Instagram, but I don't like how much I have to zoom in for the vertical version. I'm gonna put the clip into the AI Expand tool, adjust the placement to my liking, and then choose an aspect ratio. I'm going with 9:16 here, and then I'll just press the generate button. See how much better this looks than the original clip? Now I have more room to add my captions to the top without covering my face. You can use the AI Expand tool in so many different ways to avoid reshoots and frustration during the editing process. And the best part? CapCut will do all of the hard work for you. And speaking of hard work, anyone else out there struggle a lot with color grading? Sometimes I want my content to have a crisp, cinematic look, and I can't figure out how to get there on my own. Of course, CapCut has a tool to help with color adjustments, and I'm not talking about LUTs or presets. We're getting a lot more specific than that. Let me show you. So I have my clip all ready to go here. I'm just gonna head into the filters menu and then go into the adjust tab. From there, I'll tap the color match button. I wanna match my clip to one of my favorite Wes Anderson movies, so let's upload the screenshot from my camera roll. And that's seriously it. I can adjust the intensity, but you can see that my clip now has the perfect cinematic color grading. Imagine the possibilities here. Want to match your video to your favorite movie? Or maybe you want to copy an adjustment from a past project. It's never been easier. The last AI tool I want to show you is super cool. As content creators, we're typically a one-person show. We're the producer, the editor, the director, the writer, the makeup artist, and the hairstylist. But if you're not a beauty pro and you want a hand in that department, you don't have to figure it all out by yourself. CapCut's Retouch tool has your back. When I head into the Retouch menu, it has the Auto tab, which has a selection of makeup looks that you can automatically add to your video. Whether you'd like to add full Hollywood glam or keep it more subtle with highlighter or foxy eyes, the options are all there for you. You can even adjust the intensity for a more natural or obvious look. Here, I have a clip of myself without any makeup on. It was early in the morning and I just wanted to shoot my content. Check out how natural my makeup looks when I add the Americano look. This tool is truly a lifesaver. If you're not a makeup pro but still want to look polished in your videos, this is a great way to do that. Now you've got the tools to help you edit with ease instead of spending hours hunched over your phone. We've definitely all been there, but thankfully we no longer have to. Which of CapCut's AI tools is your favorite? What kind of AI tools would you like to see on the app? Drop your suggestions down below. We want to make sure that you're getting everything you need from the CapCut app. And if you haven't already downloaded the mobile and desktop apps, definitely do so. It's time to step up your editing game and start sharing your incredible content with the world. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Happy creating!